So that's the base for the staircase, and I want to weld this 1 centimeter plate onto the base plate. That's 5 millimeters thick, and I'm doing that the staircase cannot twist because it's just a single beam going upstairs. This is the Parkside. What is it? I bought it for 100 euro. Oh no, I bought it used. I bought it for 50 euro or something. Parkside 128.2. PFDS 128.2 Parkside. At least pin it here, and then I'm curious how this thing welds thick steel. Let's find out. Okay. Automatic wire, whatever that is called in English. It's rattling. All the teeth, they look okay. There's no sign of wear or something. Okay. It's this one here. Yeah, and there I can see the tools are not good. But the fixing point on the top, let's see if this is okay. It's this gear here. It's slipping to this one. And on the top, it's this one here. You see, this one is broken. The glue will not last, so super glue it or put some JB weld on around, that would work, but I don't have anything here in this place right now, so I came up with the idea just to put around the washer. That's crazy. It had the right size and it is sticking, so I will just try that. Okay. More pressure. Test. Looks promising. Nope, I forgot this, whatever this is. This goes, I don't know, maybe like this. Hey. Somewhere here. Ah, there we have it. Good, good, good. Okay. Good, perfect. Boom. Maximum and wire feed, I don't know, let's try 7. Okay. That's not good. No. Not good welding. What the f? There is no power. What the device here doesn't like thick steel. No chance. The wire feed was much too high, and I test welded. Also, it sounds better now. I test welded on 4, but full power, and look at that. Yeah, it's going inside. Let's try this. More sparks. Let's try 4.5. Yeah, I think like this. I don't know, it looks terrible. No, no, no. Nope. Maybe 5. No. Terrible, terrible. I don't know, it all looks terrible. I really don't know.